the brake is on the threads by turning the handle all the way to hot with torque of 30 plus pounds. Here's a far picture. There's the cartridge. They broke it right at the threads. Here's the handle. Screws on. There's a handle on the shower floor, tub floor. Scoping out the valve. Make sure the solder joints are intact. More pieces. Here's an exploded diagram of the valve, the wall. Part 974-230 broke because of too much torque. Going all the way to the hot max, just putting more than 30 pounds of torque that would eventually break the plastic with too much torque.